Windows are integral to the aesthetic and functionality of your home, offering natural light, ventilation, and security. However, like all parts of your home, they are not immune to wear and tear. In Sugar Land, Texas, the combination of hot summers, mild winters, and occasional storms can take a toll on your windows over time. Homeowners in the area may experience a range of window problems that compromise comfort, energy efficiency, and safety. If you've noticed any issues with your windows, it might be time to consider window replacement. In this article, we'll discuss common window problems in Sugar Land and how replacing them can improve your home. Drafty windows. Drafts are one of the most common window problems that homeowners face. When air leaks in through the edges of your windows, it can significantly affect your home's comfort level, especially during the hot summer months or chilly winter nights. Drafty windows often lead to higher energy bills because your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. How replacement helps. If your windows are old or poorly sealed, replacing them with modern, energy-efficient windows can drastically improve your home's insulation. New windows come with advanced weather stripping and double or triple glazed glass that minimizes air leakage. This results in lower energy costs, a more comfortable indoor environment, and reduced strain on your HVAC system. Foggy or cloudy windows. Fogging between the panes of your window is usually caused by a broken seal on double or triple paned windows. The trapped moisture can lead to condensation between the glass, leaving your windows looking cloudy and compromising your view. Over time, this can also affect the efficiency of your windows, as the insulating properties of multi-paned glass are reduced. How replacement helps. If you have foggy windows, replacing the affected glass or the entire window can restore both clarity and energy efficiency. Modern windows are equipped with advanced sealing technologies, preventing moisture buildup and ensuring that your windows remain clear. Replacing the windows also improves insulation, reducing heat transfer and improving the comfort of your home. Cracked or damaged glass. Cracked or broken window glass can result from various factors, including impact from storms, accidents, or even settling foundations. Not only does this compromise the appearance of your windows, but it can also pose a safety risk to your family. Damaged windows also lose their ability to insulate your home properly, leading to increased energy costs. How replacement helps. Replacing broken or cracked glass is essential for both safety and efficiency. New windows with high-quality glass will restore security and insulation, while modern glass coatings can offer additional benefits, such as UV protection, which reduces fading of furniture and flooring. Difficult to open or close windows. Over time, windows can become difficult to open or close due to issues with the frame, hardware, or the buildup of dirt and debris. This issue is not only frustrating, but it can also compromise the functionality of your windows, making it hard to take advantage of natural ventilation or emergency exits. How replacement helps. Replacing windows that are hard to operate can significantly improve your home's convenience and security. New windows come with smoother operating mechanisms and durable materials that ensure they open and close easily. This enhances ventilation, allows you to take full advantage of your window's features, and ensures your home remains safe in case of an emergency. Excessive noise from outside. If you live in a busy area of Sugar Land, you might experience disturbances from traffic, neighbors, or even outdoor events. Traditional windows often offer little sound insulation, allowing noise to penetrate into your home. This can be especially bothersome if you are looking for a quiet, relaxing environment. How replacement helps. Replacement windows, particularly those with double or triple glazing, provide superior soundproofing qualities. These windows can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful living space. This can be especially beneficial for bedrooms, home offices, or any area where tranquility is important. Aesthetic issues. Over time, windows can become discolored, warped, or outdated, affecting the curb appeal of your home. Windows that are peeling or faded can make your house look worn and diminish its value, especially if they don't match the overall aesthetic of your home. How replacement helps. Window replacement offers the opportunity to upgrade the look of your home. Modern windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to choose windows that enhance the beauty and value of your property. Whether you want traditional wood frames or sleek, contemporary vinyl, replacing your old windows can transform the exterior of your home. Conclusion. Whether it's drafty windows, broken glass, or simply outdated aesthetics, there are numerous window problems that homeowners in Sugar Land face. Luckily, window replacement offers a long-term solution to these issues. By upgrading to energy-efficient, durable, and visually appealing windows, you can enhance your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal. If you're dealing with any of the common window problems mentioned above, consider consulting a local window replacement professional to learn more about how new windows can benefit your home.